This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Hiya everybody, I'm on my bed with the golden retriever puppy sitting on my lap. Yes, I have a dog and I adore it to the moon and back. What do you know about this breed? Where did it originate? Let me tell you a short story. However, before I say anything, I will go to brush my teeth and take a shower. It is already 10 a.m. and I'm still in my PJs. Therefore, I will see you soon.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Golden Retriever is one of the most popular dog breeds in the United States. This breed originated in Scotland in the 1800s. The Golden Retriever was first bred by first Baron Tweed, Scottish businessman and a Liberal politician. This breed was originally bred to retrieve waterfowl due to its soft mouth. Therefore, this breed is excellent for hunting. As for the appearance, the AKC, American Kennel Club, states that it is a medium-sized dog. Golden Retriever's coat is rich, lustrous, golden of various shades, and that disapproves of extremely light or extremely dark coat colors. You would ask me, hey, what is the difference between a Golden Retriever and a Labrador Retriever? There are minor differences. However, I would say both are incredibly friendly and active dogs. Also, both are in the top 10 most intelligent dog breeds. Do you know any dog movies with a Labrador or Golden Retriever? You would say to me, oh yes, I do. Have you ever heard of Marley and Me? You're right. This movie was adorable. Marley and Me was directed by David Frankel and written by Scott Frank, David Ross in 2008. Jenny, aka Jennifer Aniston, and John, aka Owen Wilson, a newly married couple, adopts a yellow Labrador Retriever. You would be right to guess that its name is Marley. How did they come up with this name, you would ask me? Well, the reggae singer Bob Marley was an inspiration for the name after John had heard of his song in the car, and that song was called One Love. This song has more than 3.4 million views on YouTube. When you listen to it, you feel that everything is going to be alright in the end. Have you ever heard of the phrase, this too shall pass? It resonates with me quite deeply since this means that practically anything is temporary in the end.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
The same applies to all the problems that the couple had in the Marley and Me. This dog, Marley, within time became a family member not only to the couple but their kids too. No matter how disobedient and far from a real retriever by standard this dog was, Marley was loved and cared for. Also, another example came to my mind as I speak. Have you ever heard of the Inspector Rex? It is an Austrian-Italian police television series aired between 1994 and 2004. Commissar Rex follows the police German Shepherd dog Rex and all the team Vienna Criminal Police at Vienna Criminal Police Homicide Unit. Rex is shown as an exceptionally intelligent and trained police dog, which is extremely helpful in searching for murderers. To be honest, Commissar Rex sets unrealistic expectations for the German Shepherd breed since it is shown to be even more intelligent than its fellow human colleagues are. That is a bit of nonsense. However, the plot is still interesting to watch, regardless of how realistic that is most of the time. I remember that when I was in Germany, I looked for new professional connections through LinkedIn and internations.org. I met a girl who was fairly interested in watching this comedy drama TV series.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.